Ask any engineer what is frequently needed in a mixed signal oscilloscope, and the answer very often is more channels. Meet the Yokogawa DLM4000, the industry's only true 8-channel mixed signal oscilloscope. Yokogawa's unique and innovative solution to the channel count problem. The versatile DLM4000 features 8 analog channels and 24 bits of digital input, allowing you to capture more waveforms than any other oscilloscope. Yokogawa has once again raised the bar, creating the DLM4000 in an ergonomic, lightweight, portable format, offering 4 tilt angles as well as a rack mount configuration. The DLM4000 is equipped with today's engineer in mind. The design includes a modern soft menu user interface, as well as dedicated knobs for frequently used adjustments, such as trigger level, trigger position, and zoom. A high-contrast 12.1-inch LCD makes your test results easy to see and analyze. Ergonomics and channel count are only part of the solution. The Yokogawa DLM4000's features target today's toughest engineering problems in mechatronics and power electronic systems, such as motors, motor drives, and power inverters. The DLM4000 offers convenient switch mode power analysis, combined with automatic power measurements, waveform math calculations, and up to 8 analog input channels. The DLM4000 is perfect for any power electronics lab. Challenging test requirements in the transportation industry continue to evolve, with the development of new ECUs and smart electronics. Test engineers require more data analysis capabilities than ever before. You will quickly depend on the DLM4000's multiple input channels, deep waveform memory, and advanced analysis features such as cursors, automatic measurements, real-time serial bus triggering, and analysis. Testing to international standards, from the aerospace industry to consumer electronics, is becoming more stringent and time-consuming. The DLM4000 was designed to assist today's engineer in completing these requirements. The DLM4000 provides an extensive suite of triggers. Combined with 8 analog inputs, 24 digital inputs, a high-speed update rate, and Yokogawa's unique ability to save multiple triggered events in history memory, make the DLM4000 the ideal tool for today's test engineer. All around us, in our ever-changing and developing world, from the smallest home appliance to the largest of heavy industry, engineers are working to implement and develop more cost-effective and efficient devices. Yokogawa's dedication to solving these problems is realized in the DLM4000 8-channel mixed signal oscilloscope. Yokogawa's family of test and measurement products, designed to solve any test challenge you may face. To experience the DLM4000 for yourself, or to simply learn more, visit Yokogawa Test and Measurement at tmi.yokogawa.com.